Hello and welcome to another video. This is really going to show you how flexible is Microsoft Excel in relation to what-if analysis. If you take a look at the problem, I have a spending here and I have a few items. I have rent, food, phone, and clothing. And I have also income to correspond to this. So we have and as you notice here, the sum of all the spending is going to be $885, and this is actually the saving or the debt based on the fact that I made $1,300 and I spent this much money. So this is actually F9 minus E14 in order to find this value. I'm going to keep my mouse on the top of this selected cell to make sure that I really hit it before I start the scenario. So I selected rather this cell. I'm going to go to the data where what if analysis is there. I'm sure you've seen GoalSeek in the previous videos, but I'm going to show you now the scenario manager. It's going to really be a very powerful feature that we could use frequently. First of all, I wanted to go ahead and start creating an image or a picture to what is really an image, not in real sense, an image to what is actually being done here about the data, original picture of my data. I'm going to go ahead and add by going to, so I keep that. By changing what cell, I don't want to change anything really at this stage, but if I wanted to concern myself with what cell that I wanted to deal with, I wanted to see later what is the number, what is the value that I need to reduce or increase in the food or the phone and the clothing in order to reach certain values in my saving or debt. So I'm going to go ahead and say okay, and I'm going to just leave it as it is, not to create anything or change anything, and that's going to be the original. I'm not going to change the $100 food, the $35 phone, and the clothing, whatever, $50 in this case. I'm just going to go ahead and add it as it is. So I have now another scenario to worry about, and I wanted to go ahead and see what I can do. Let's say saving, let's say more, or just say, let's say budget 2. It's a better name, budget 2. Or since I don't have budget 1, I could call it budget 1 by changing what? I'm going to change the food $1. I wanted to change the phone to $30. I mean, it's a very trivial example, but in order for you to see how it's going to be used with varieties of variables that you could use in order to really see the benefit of something as powerful as this. I wanted to stage, let's say 0 clothing for this, and I'm going to say okay, and this now I have budget 1. I could go ahead and add it and another budget 2 where I wanted to go ahead and increase. Let's go ahead and say budget 2. I wanted to increase the food in this case from 100 to, because I have a party coming